So today we're at the Cape Woolamai Nature Park. Yeah, the weather today, maybe not the best, but you know, it's always a good day to go for a hike. So this is our route today. Should be fun. Some beautiful scenery to start off your hike at. So the first short path of the Cape Woolamai Nature Park hike is a bit of a beach hike, just up to a staircase, probably 500, 600 meters up. So the first portion of this is done, and obviously leading up now to sort of the main track that loops right around. Yeah, it's good to be out, to be honest. With, you know, I guess the weather looks a little bit dodgy, but it's okay because we're out doing what we love doing. Another 360-degree view here. Make for some pretty decent photos with the high contrasting crashing water against the rocks. It's yeah, quite stunning actually. So I guess it's quite famous for these particular caves as well. Some ocean caves. No real easy way down to them, to be honest, but yeah, they look quite impressive. They look pretty grand, to be honest. I mean, I'm sure if you were standing inside that, it would seem quite massive. Now we've made it up basically to the lighthouse beacon. Definitely get some proper scenic views from this viewpoint. So that's all San Remo on that side. Full Island on this side. Gull Island. Surprisingly, oh no, there are some gulls. Not heaps, but some. We're well over halfway, to be honest, and we're only about an hour into the hike. Yeah, realistically, if you're on pace, you could probably get this done easily under 2 hours. Probably what makes this one so good is it's a real entry-level hike that has lots of scenic lookouts. So great for anybody wanting to get into hiking, especially if you're feeling not super confident fitness-wise. You know, it's only 7 Ks. Has minimal elevation gain, so it's pretty flat walking most of the time. Next time you're down at Phillip Island, highly recommend doing this one. The track changes up a little bit through a middle section where you're sort of going away from the coastline and cutting through more to the centre. Getting eyeballed by a goofy wallaby. Got a bit of something in his mouth. Hey buddy. You're looking decidedly ragged. Once you get to this point, we're basically going to go that way because that's a continuation of the track. So So yeah, like it says, we're here, we're going to head out this way. You can cut it short up along here and then cut back to the car, but yeah, we want to take the beach walk back. Not to mention visit the old granite quarry. Cotopaxi fleece, keeping it nice and cozy. Yeah, go check them out, cotopaxi.com.au. Definitely not regret that purchase. They're super warm, vibrant colours. You know, I love mine. So now we're heading down towards Cleland Beach. But yeah, this is the old quarry section. It's also the bay area for San Remo. We sort of moved away from the surf area of Woolamai. I'm probably going to try and head around the old granite quarry area a bit more, just to see what it looks like maybe a bit further around, because I haven't actually ever gone there and I've been here so many times. It's like a collection of bird life here. That mud pit just tried to swallow my foot. I didn't realise the thing was going to be that boggy. Yeah. Last stretch really till home, and there's just to the car. There's just to cut across a little bit further down this track. Yeah, just about to turn off and head back towards the Woolamai Beach car park. And yeah, weather has been good. I've been very lucky in that there's been no rain. Once again, it's just like such an ideal hike for people wanting to start out hiking and try something that's got a lot of great views. So yeah, I reckon it's going to be fun for anybody wanting to do it. Oh, it's actually past where I was meant to turn off in the wing. Walked right past this one before. Just went about 100 metres too far. Here is the part where we short walk back from here now to the car park, and we are done. And we've made it back to the start again. Like I said, it all went pretty fast. Just on about 3 hours. The hike is usually meant to be actually 7 to 8 kilometers. So yeah, I've just added some extra, trying to go check out 2 little sections which I thought might be interesting. So that's it for this one. Yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, leave any comments below, maybe some interesting hikes you'd like to see further on. But yeah, I'm going to try and bring you more different hikes from Victoria, maybe ones that aren't so well established as this one. And yeah, we'll catch you then.